Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to check which version of DirectX is installed on Windows 10. So let's start. So let me minimize this file first, okay? So first of all you have to open the run window. So just press Windows plus R key on your keyboard. I am pressing that. And you can see guys, I have this command window opened. And whatever entry you have to delete that. So let me delete this entry, okay? And after that, you need to type this command dxdiag. Okay, so we are going to open DirectX Diagnostic tool. So the command is dxdiag. And I will put this command in the video description. You can check it out. And after that, you have to click on this OK button. Okay, so just wait for some time. And you can see, guys, I have this DirectX Diagnostic tool, this window opened. And after that you have to come to this system, this tab, and in this tab you have to come to this system information section. And at the bottom you can see we have this DirectX version. You can see I have this DirectX 12 installed on my Windows 10. You might have some other version. So it's now done. After that you can exit this window by clicking on this exit button. So in this way you can easily check which version of DirectX is installed on Windows 10. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.